Welcome back, guys. What's up? You don't know. Welcome back to another day on the farm, Yeah, man. So today's video still we're gonna do a comparison video where we'll compare 2 weeks ago before the so-called storm to now. Through the whole rain and stuff with a video, but it never up to par. And rainfall most of the days them cut the video them short, so most of the video them I delete, but still have some of them and we are gonna watch some of them today, so watch that one here and come back. See? Yeah, guys, so I'll go through and go up at the top, Yeah, man, make a walk through them. No! Well, look on the side of them, man, the side of them. Nice! Yeah, man, all this can pick too. Yeah. I'll go through and go up. Yes, sir. Alright. Yeah, man, see it here, peeps. Yeah, man. So, couple of weeks, I've been out. Yeah, man, plant off all up here, so as you can see. Yeah. I have some for plant out of this right here, so. Yeah, man. Good luck, man. So, what I want to do today, I'm going to clean up here, so. Yeah, man, I'm going to clean up over top. We're planting the drop down. So, it go, Want to catch up that one, Yeah. Catch up that one there. I'm kind of lean, That one over here, so not so too bad. That one over here, so not too bad. But still, I feel like I'm going to catch it. But yeah, peeps. See it here, Yeah, man, the plant come way up at top. See them? Yeah, man. See them? See them? See them? See them? Yeah, man. So all the way come up. Yeah, man, so definitely want to do some cleaning of copper. But I want to plant out. I may have some over here. So them are not ready yet still, but you don't know. But now I stop planting them, Yeah, man. More here, so. More there, so. Alright, yes or no, some papa seed me throw this, Yeah, man, so them are coming. Yeah. Man. Yeah. So more sorry. Yeah. So yeah, peeps. So good luck, Yeah, man. So I'll go through here now. I want to go up at top. So make we go up there and see what I'm going. Cool? Alright. Yeah, man, so we are. Alright, so you see them here where you now see? Yeah, man, a sweet potato them there, Yeah, man. Sweet potato. I really want to trouble them there too much, Yes, sir. But, boy, push a take over. Yeah, man, so, oi! I will come chop it down one thing. Alright, yeah, man, see them here? You can see, so them one I can definitely come pick. Yeah, man, so I will come work on them there. See it? Yeah, man, looking lovely. Alright, we'll go down here, so. See how down here, so steer. Yeah, people, full of bush, Yeah, man. Yeah, come clean to it. See, cane them are going lovely. Yeah, man, sorry, them nice. Nice. Look on the planting down here, so. See what I go and feed. See people. So can. Chop down, you know. Look on it good, you know. Sometimes them burst up, you know. Like me have one when I go pick, when I go run, burst up. Whoa! You see that, people? Yeah. Alright. Yeah, man, see there. Alright, boy, it want to chop out. Rain a fall. Yeah, things. Yeah, guys. Alright, so I go through here now and go and do some cleaning, you know. So forward back, Zane. Yeah, guys. So do a little thing, you know. Better, you know. Free them up, you know. Yeah, I got circle back. I come pick some of them, you know. Yeah, man. There I am some cane, you know. Yeah, guys, so you see that? Yeah, man. Look good. Yeah, you know. So, next thing on the agenda now is in them weeks there, we'll pick some. Yeah, man, you know. Pick a good amount. I'm not gonna lie to you. More than what I did expect. Yeah, man. Pick. I say more than £20. Put it there, so. You know? Yeah, man. So, I go show you now a little something. Yeah, guys. Yeah, man. I eat this, you know. Yeah, man. I just done, you know. Yeah, man. Nah, lie. It's a good look. You know? Yeah, man. I'm only still up on tree, man. And thing. You see? Yeah. And when I say £20 now, I hope you don't feel like say a £20 in a bag down here showing. No. A £20 over a period of time, you know? About how long now we no post? About a month and a half, you know? Yeah, man. So every week a little bit and a little bit, you know? Yeah, man. So, but the rain, they're in a place where rain fall every day. Right now, me I look out and I can see the rain will come, you know? So, I kind of try speed up the little process, you know? Yeah, man. So, what we're going to do now still, we're going to walk through and see how it look. No! Zin? Alright, so, forward. Alright, people, so, my shade in the hand, still like my orange. We're going to make a move now. Zin? Alright, so, first thing first, bushy. You know, can't clean out. You know, when rain fall out the thing go. And firstly after the block, 1 tree down. You know that will happen still. You know, cause when we just start plant them there, never really plant them deep, you know. Well, that's a horrid thing. But now you know, we know the thing go. Yeah, man, so tree them flat. Yeah. You know. We have some I'm supposed to plant out. They might get enough. But you know, we'll deal with that very soon. Yeah, man. The next one they drop down. And I plant them drop down. Yeah, man, people. Yes, bushy. Yes, the next one they drop down. And that one they have sucker on it, so you have to come dig off them sucker there and replant them, you know. Yeah, man, I have to look at planting the dip on that one there. So I'm not quite remember. Yeah, man. We'll do some chop out in idea. Yes, sir. Yeah, man, but people. So we are going around today, we'll cut down one because like it a change colour already. That is it, you know. Yes man, well. The one that's still standing. Yeah, give thanks. You know. Yeah man, that one now. So it go. You push out other suckers, so you have sucker for plant and another one will come up. Yeah. Sorry, them look good. Them look there. That one yeah, nice. Alright now people, see it there? Place ready. Yeah man, but the tree them. We pot them so much together. When them lie down upon each other, them just broke. Yeah man. Them look good. Yes man. So when I say with that set here, I'm gonna just wait until the leaf them dry. I'll fight before I pick them last set here. You know? Yeah man. Around there. Yeah people. I'm sorry man. Okay. Nice. Yeah. Let me see. Tree them a dry down, so you know, sir. Soon time again. Replanting. You know. But this time now, I learn a little more. So it will be done a little better. You know? Yeah man. But it's a good look. I like to see it, you know. As you can see, yeah, so. Alright, another one here. About 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 tree in a one. You understand? Over here, so have 1, 2, 3. 3 over there, so. Yeah, so when them get heavy, them can't stand up. Cause once one lie down for one, everybody gone. Right, people, man, trying not to drop, you know. My tendency, you know. Yeah. Look them on. I'm there for now, see it. You see them colours, eh? Trust me, man. You don't want some of this to drink, man. Run through your blood cells, then. Alright, people, so. You can see the sun hot, man. And if you can see it. See that? You look across there, so. See that? Yeah, so. Well, a lot of the little one here, you know, people. Yeah, man. Doing a little update on the thing, you know. Yeah, man, I want to chop out there, so. Yeah, but. Yeah, man, tell me one thing. You know? Next time I know now, definitely now make so much in a one, you know? Yeah, man, but regardless, when I notice with soil, if you notice when the tree drop, it turn up. Them turn up. See? Them turn up. You know? But you don't really want them on the ground because insects start eat them, you know? See there? Yeah, man. But it's a good look same way, you know? Yeah, man, people, so. You know, thanks for watching. Just a little update on the thing. Yeah, man. So, now the next video, you know, now I see me I do some cleaning because I definitely have to do some cleaning. And now the further, we're going to deal with it over here, so. Yeah, man. We're going to deal with it over here, so. You know, and in the next video, we'll see you up at top. So, thanks for watching, you know. Yeah, man. Big up.